Do you want to know how to change pose and background of your Bitmoji in Snapchat? Then this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechUp. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to do it in very few steps. Well, first of all, open the Snapchat app on your phone. Once you do that, on the top left corner of your screen, you're going to find your Bitmoji. If you tap on it on the top right corner of the screen, you're going to see icons like notification, new clothes, a gallery like icon, share and settings. You're going to have to go ahead and tap on the gallery like icon. Then you'll see two categories on the bottom of your screen, which are backgrounds and poses. Just go ahead and swipe up on it. Then you can see you can choose different backgrounds and tap on. If you tap on poses, you can also change your pose. Once you've selected the one you like, just tap on save from the top right corner. And guys, that's it. That's how you change pose and background of your Bitmoji in Snapchat. And guys, that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.